This is the most unique to our car. This is my 36, as you remember. So I'd let you take a look at it here. See what it looked like. Now it's pretty nearly completed. The only thing I have left to do is to get the fenders re-chromed and do a little bit of work on the interior. As you can see, the door panel needs some work. Other than that, the car is pretty much completed as is. It looks pretty good. You can see the engine. Pretty well taken care of. The starter went out on me, so you can see the starter is missing right there. I'm repairing it. And go to the back of the car. You can see what it looks like. See the mirror windows are smudged from kids. And the other side of the car. Yes, it looks pretty good. Okay.